Hello guys, we're going to do a nighttime POV of a 2013 Chevy Malibu Eco. Let's see how it goes. I'm just going to go to the gas station. I need to get some gas. This is my first YouTube video, and we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it goes well. I'm new to this, so yeah. We'll see how it goes. Let me plug my phone in real quick. Alright, let's get going. It's probably a 5-10 minute drive, but let's see how it goes. Again, it's a 2013 Chevy Malibu Eco. So I just recently bought this GoPro Hero 7 Black, just trying to test it out. I'm going to try YouTube out, so let's see how it goes. This vehicle does have 115,126 miles on it. This is my personal vehicle, so Alright, well, I'm here at the gas station. Let me fill up with gas and I'll come right back. Alright guys, I'm back, got gas. It was only $20 to fill up, so not too bad. I got 20 cents off, so it's better than what the gas prices originally are. I only paid $1.99 a gallon. I know people in California will be like, oh, I pay like $5 or $6 a gallon. So I'm gonna go over here to Steak and Shake and pick up a drink. Let me know if I should do some more POV videos. I have a 2012 Silverado and a 2020 Chevy Equinox that I can do some POV drives with. Alright, well, I'm going to order this drink and then I'll be right back with you guys. Alright guys, I'm back, got gas. It was only $20 to fill up, so not too bad. I got 20 cents off, so it's better than what the gas prices originally are. I only paid $1.99 a gallon. I know people in California will be like, oh, I pay like $5 or $6 a gallon. So I'm gonna go over here to Steak and Shake and pick up a drink. Let me know if I should do some more POV videos. I have a 2012 Silverado and a 2020 Chevy Equinox that I can do some POV drives with. Alright, well, I'm going to order this drink and then I'll be right back with you guys. Alright guys, I am back. Just left Steak and Shake. So, let's get this nighttime drive back on the road. You know, I got me that little free fry from Steak and Shake when you ask for them. You know, why not? I was already going through the drive-thru to get a drink. Might as well get some fries while I'm at it. Oh, these are fresh. We'll let this person go by. Yeah, so I'm new to this whole YouTube thing, so let me know what I need to work on. I just bought this GoPro Hero 7 Black Edition, so let's see how it goes. So this car is like a hybrid, but it mostly runs on the motor, but connected to the motor is the motor is basically like the generator, and it has like an electric motor connected to it that runs off of the gas motor by a belt. So it gives it a little extra. I think it's like 189 for the horsepower. Not bad. It's the 2.4 liter 4-cylinder. Occasionally I'll drive 2 hours, and I'll get about 37 miles to the gallon the whole trip and back, so I can get it probably about maybe 500 miles out of a full tank. So not bad, not bad at all. So we did get some snow a couple days ago. I think it was like Friday or Saturday. And then I've only had it since November. And it's been phenomenal in the snow. I was really surprised. There was a lot of ice and everything underneath the snow, and it did really well for what it is. So this is the 2LT model, and has the sunroof, heated seats, leather, Pioneer sound system. Drives great. I have no complaints. If anyone would ask me about it, I'd recommend it. I can do a review of it if you want me to. Just let me know down in the comments section. I'll be sure to look at those. And fairly small, so we'll see how it goes. I know I could have won, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. Well, never mind. Started in his driveway. I'm here where I need to be at, so I will talk to you guys later. Just let me know how this video went, and I'll continue to make more. Alright, see ya.